Today is Friday, October 10th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States. And I hope you got that warmer jacket dug out from the back of your closet because you're going to need it this morning. It is chilly. I'd say it's even cold across the entire Northeast. Low temperatures in upstate New York, central New York, all the way down into the upper 20s in some cases. Lots of low and mid 30s. And even in the New York metro, we're starting the day in the 40s to near 50 degrees. So a chilly start to the morning, but as the morning progresses, those temperatures are going to rise pretty quickly thanks to that sunshine. We do end up in the low 60s this afternoon in the New York metro. Still, that's going to have a pretty cool feel, especially if you're not standing directly in the sun. And then we got a few scattered clouds and temperatures really kind of slowly falling back as those clouds slowly increase through the overnight. 61 today in Albany, 63 in Syracuse, 65 in Buffalo. All of these high temperatures are actually better than what we did yesterday. So we're progressively kind of digging out of this blast of cool air that came in. But boy, is it cold this morning. And then tonight, it will not be as cold as it was this morning or even the night before. So falling back to about 40 in Albany, but 46 in Syracuse and 50 in Buffalo. So the cold air begins to retreat a little bit, but now we have to prepare for, I think, what will be our first nor'easter of the season. Let's talk about that now with our surface map. And we got nice weather today from the southern plains all the way up through the northeast. But you see this area of low pressure here. There's also a little piece of energy coming in on the northern branch of the jet stream. So as this dives south, it sort of digs out this hole in the atmosphere, and this area of low pressure just falls into it, really starts to get wound up. So here comes this piece of energy tomorrow. I think the entire northeast gets a dry Saturday. But here comes this area of low pressure. These pieces sort of merge together, or it's called phase together in meteorology. And that's going to get those winds gusting off the Atlantic Ocean 40 to 50 miles per hour, possibly higher than that. So some coastal flooding a possibility in New Jersey up through the New York metro, Long Island, and the rain is going to be heavy at times as we go into Sunday and Sunday night especially. So let's take you through the weekend forecast. Pick day of the weekend. If you have plans, it's Saturday. That's the day to get outside and do whatever it is you have to do or want to do. And then on Sunday, from south to north, we'll see that rain developing. So northern areas, you actually may get the first half of Sunday rain-free. And then it looks like into Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, the rain overspreads the entire northeast. The rain could be heavy at times Sunday night, and the winds they're going to be really gusty right along the coast with that nor'easter. So rough weather coming our way in the New York metro Sunday night and into early Monday morning. It should begin to move out. We're certainly drying out on Tuesday. Temperature staying in the 60s in that 7-day forecast. All right, that is your Friday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.